Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Bluetooth in Windows 11 not working problem. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooter, click Run under Bluetooth. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Bluetooth Support Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, right-click your Bluetooth device, disable and enable device. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, right-click your Bluetooth device, update device, click Browse my computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select model, click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.